Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link your retirement accounts to Credit Karma. So if you want to know how to do that, I'm just going to give you a step-by-step guide. And the first step is to log into your Credit Karma account. So you can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the official website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on the retirement tab. And once that's done, you want to click on link an account, and then you want to select the retirement account type. Next, you got to enter your account credentials and confirm the link. And after that's all taken care of, you want to wait for Credit Karma to sync your retirement data, and that's as good as done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to link your retirement accounts to Credit Karma. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.